Sige. Alright, so magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc, Gigi, Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your business, or you want to do business with me, and if you need to speaker for seminars and training, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so ngayon ay Wednesday, papunta tayo sa Clark Medical City. Check-up, health check. Malaga na chinecheck ang ating mga kalusugan para tayong magtagal sa mundong ibabaw na walang sakit. Alright, so ganito, ang vlog natin ay kaiba ngayon, okay? It's something like, we don't hear it sa iba, pero siguro nababanggit ko na rin siya sa iba natin mga vlogs. Like, marami kasing gusto magkaroon ng business, but they want na parang gusto nila maging expert sila, maging specialist muna sila, master nila isang craft. So, bago sila magsimula ng business. Pero, hindi na yun ang uso ngayon. Hindi na usong paraan ng pagninegosyo yan, okay? Kailan lang, last week ba? This week. Galing tayo sa, kay Sir Harold, sa Inspire. Nag-usap kami about being a generalist and a specialist. So, when we say specialist, ito yung mga experts, okay? So, nag-agree naman kami sa idea na you don't need to be an specialist or an expert para ka magsimula ng negosyo. What you're going to do is just to hire that expert, okay? Ang kailangan mo, kapatid, instead of spending time studying one specific area, you just hire a person. Ang pagtuunan mo ng pansin ay business idea about that concept. For example lang, gusto mong maggawa na simple na lang, gusto mong matutong magnegosyo about how to make a website, paano maggawa ng website. So yung traditional way of doing it, aralin mo paano magawa ng website, mag-aaral ka, and training, everything. So okay naman yon. Kaya lang, you don't need to do that. Ang gawin mo, paano ka magkakaroon ng kliyente by doing that e-com business or yung paggawa ng website. Paano ka magkakakliyente? Paano ka magkakaroon ng negosyo? Using that. So, ang kailangan mo, business idea. So, it's not about your expertise. It's not about your your specialization. It's about business idea. Yan na ngayon ang magiging uso. Uso na siya ngayon. Nangyayari na siya eh. At magiging uso by 2020. Let me give you an example. Steve Jobs, diba? Sinabi naman, I read a lot of or I watched different videos on hindi naman siya yung technical person, he's working on creative side of it, di ba? Ginamit niya yung yung business idea. Alibaba, Jack Ma is not a technical person, pero meron siyang Alibaba.com, which is very technical, right? And Doc G is not a technical person, but I have my own YouTube channel. Meron akong edited video. So, I hire an expert. I hire Angel. Angel, pakita mo yung sarili mo. Binabayaran natin siya. At magugulat kayo, may negosyo pa ako ng e-com express. So, that means, ito yung how to, ang tawag dito, do your website. Yun na, website, any social media platform. I don't know how to do that. So, what I did, I just hire a person. And I also have my, yung tawag dito, yung mga sa damit, yung mga iba't ibang business. Marami tayong mga negosyo na hindi ko sila alam kung paano yung mga, nila, detalye. But I'm just hiring a person. What I have only in my mind is just a business idea. So, delivers, o kung first time ako mapanood ngayon, kung marami ka pang hinihintay na requirements, aralin lang ganito, ganon. Wag, naya mo na yun sa mga experts. You just hire them, di ba? Sila na, bayaran mo na lang sila. Marami na mga, dyan tumatanggap ng ganyang work. Alright? So, this 2020, kapatid, first is mag-decision ka na magkaroon ka ng negosyo. Second, kung saan ka interested or kung ano yung needs ng community mo, ng society mo, you work on that. Okay? Work on your business idea. Then, just hire a person. Okay? And, just hire a person or an expert. Then, that's it. You'll have your business. Okay? Alright, so if you want to know more about that, paano ba yun, Doc G? Ano bang gagawin natin? So I can be your coach. I can help you. Message ka lang sa akin so that I can help you to start your own business this 2020. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat may bigyan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ng buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!